magka-communicate kayo. So, mayroon bang ginagawang maisip para magkaroon kayo ng communication between you and President Bongbong Marcos?
Well, sana pansin ko lang on how they respond to sa mga demonstration na ginagawa namin. Like for example, ngayon na they have an idea kung saan yung next rally. I think the only communication that he gave us was he pointed the finger to my father, the former president, na walang nagawa dito sa Tacloban. I think that's his way of communicating to us.
Okay, last question. So wala nang unity, sir? Wala nang unity between you and the
Let him answer that for you. Sila yung matubag, anak. Sila yung patubag, anak.
Mayor, pwede hirit isa na lang. And during the rally sa Davao, sinabi mo na parang naghihimutok ka dahil your father pinayagan ipalibing si former President Marcos. And then this time, parang hindi rin ibibigay yung nare-reciprocate ba yung mga ginawa niyo sa past sa kay ngayon presidente compare sa ginawa ng tatay mo.
Gusto ko lang balikan yung yung mga statements ko when I first came out noong January. I think kung gusto niya lang talaga ayusin itong problema na ito, pwede niyang gawin niya. Pwede niyang gawin talaga. Yun lang. Kasama dun nga sa rally namin, kami anti-war. So, we do not like foreign military activities within our territory. Yan, medyo mahirap dyan. Pero, I do not know. But, kung ako talaga, I want all of this to end. Kasi kung ako lang yun, I do not know kung I do not know sa tatay ko, I do not know sa kanila. I just want this to end. I just want kung unit team, mas maganda sana kung nandyan pa yung unit team. But wala eh. Let's see. We will always, choose peace over conflict. If it's para sa lahat natin, para sa buong bansa.